Hi everyone, it's Adam from Elprotronic. I'm going to show a video of standalone programming with the FlashPro-iMOTION. Now the FlashPro-iMOTION can program chips with two cores. So the IMC302 has both the ARM core and the MCE core, and those are the two we're going to program in this demo. Okay, so let's create some setups for the ARM core and the MCE core that we will use for the standalone programming. To do the standalone setup, we're going to create an ARM setup first. And we can test it here by selecting the code file and the communication speed. So here we'll select up to 5 megahertz, and this communication frequency will get adjusted based on the MCU. Now that we made the setup, we can save it. After saving the setup, we'll create a new setup for the MCE core, and this will be the motor control core of the same part number. And here there will be more files to program, so we're going to append multiple files, starting with the firmware file. Then we're going to append the parameters, and then we're going to append the script file. So all these three files will get programmed over UART to this processor. So we see that this is working as well, and we're going to save this setup for future reference. We're going to call it the IMC302-MCE setup. Once this is finished, we are going to be ready to do our standalone setup. Okay, so let's go to the standalone configuration, which is only available on the XStreamPro adapter. And so right now, as you see, the internal memory of the adapter is empty. So we're going to save and create an image to the XStreamPro. We're going to enable the log, and we're going to call this the MCE core image. Now this option on the top called append next image is very important because it allows us to start the next image right after this image has finished programming. So this way we can concatenate one image after another, which is what we have to do when we're programming two cores for the IMC302. Now we're going to load the ARM configuration, and we're going to also load it. Now we're going to load it to the next image. Here we're going to save the ARM image to the second slot, and we're going to call it ARM core. Okay, so now we see the second image is saved. So now we have the two images, and we're going to select the first one as the starting image. Okay, so now for standalone programming, we can have a couple options. So we're going to go into the standalone Go options dialog. And first of all, we're going to enable the green Go button so that when the Go button is pressed, the adapter will start programming. So here we save the options to the adapter, and now we're going to test the standalone mode. We're going to test it while running the GUI. Okay, so now as you can see, the GUI has changed. We see the auto program button has changed to Go, and this will be the same as pressing the green button. Okay, so let's press this, and now we're programming both images. First the MCE image, then followed by the ARM image. And in here we see that we have no errors, so everything is working fine. So let's go turn off that interactive mode for standalone and turn off the software. Okay, so now that the software has been turned off, we're going to go to the setup we have here. We're going to show that on this video that we made. So what we have here is the adapter is originally connected to the computer, and it's connected to the computer by the USB cable, and that's where it's also getting its power. And on the other side, it's connected to the IMC302 chip. Okay, so let's unplug that from the computer. So now the adapter has no power, and we're going to plug it into the battery pack here that we have, and we're going to power the adapter from the battery. Let's turn that on, and now we'll see the adapter starts to boot. So the yellow light, the orange light is flashing, and the green light is on, and we're ready to program in standalone mode. Okay, so let's press the green button. The green light will blink twice, once for the first MC image and second time for the ARM image. So because we configured the first image at the beginning, it will start to program the MCE core first, and then it will program the ARM core second. Now we have successfully programmed the IMC302 using the FlashPro-iMOTION in standalone mode. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more. Bye.